Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana meme coins using your Phantom wallet safely and step by step. This is a simple method for anyone wanting to trade Solana-based coins. Let's get started. First, open the Phantom wallet app on your phone. Make sure your wallet is set up and ready. Once the app opens, we'll start by getting your wallet address. Tap on Deposit Crypto and then select Copy Address. This is your wallet address that you will use to connect to exchanges or swap platforms. Now open any browser like Safari and go to the Radium Dex website. Tap the Swap Radium link at the top of the page to access the swapping interface. On the top right corner, tap Connect Wallet, select Phantom Wallet and connect it to Radium. Once connected, you're ready to swap coins. Next, choose the coin you want to swap and select Solana as the output. Adjust the amount as needed, then tap Swap. Confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. And that's how you can easily buy Solana meme coins using Phantom wallets. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more Solana trading tips. See you in the next video.